All right. Compare and contrast. You're comparing and contrasting the banners of freedom, the one from the perspective of a slave, and the one from the perspective of the daughter of the loyalist. So, what I really want you to focus on is each narrator. Not necessarily the story itself, but who was telling the story. Because they were both from memoirs, so both from stories about people's lives. So you can tell me, like, was a slave, daughter of a loyalist. And then think about sort of their experience in the war. Were they going to necessarily have as much freedom when it was over? Well, the slave, definitely not. Women didn't have as much freedom as men did at that time. So even if this girl like lived in the United States of America, she would not have as much freedom as the white men who were in charge. Even after they did win, her freedom would still look different. They both obviously were alive during the American Revolution. Pull up the stories if you need to. I'm more than happy to help you out if you need. It can be deeper things. It can be more just sort of, like I said, slave, daughter of a loyalist. Who are they? Tell me about their stories. What's the same and what is different? Okay? Pretty straightforward, and let me know if you need help. Good luck.